This is a tea for sleep, and we are using a couple of adaptogenic herbs and a couple of nervine herbs. Nervine herbs are the herbs that work on your nervous system. The two together are fantastic for sleep. First up, reishi mushroom. So I have slivers of reishi. You can drop a couple of those in, or you can use powder if you prefer. Reishi is meditation in mushroom form. It may help prolong sleep times, and it is both a nervine for the nervous system and a calming adaptogen. Ashwagandha helps to normalize cortisol levels, which we know are important for optimal sleep, and it can help improve sleep quality. Skullcap is the tranquilizer. It helps to relieve muscle tension, restless legs syndrome, teeth grinding or jaw clenching, otherwise known as bruxism. Last but not least, we have rose. Rose relaxes the physical body and calms the heart and can be a mood elevator. Not an energizing mood elevator, but a relaxing mood elevator. Plus, it smells fantastic. Drink as much as you like and store the rest in the fridge. Sweet dreams.